Want to know how to export leads from Outgrow to Google Sheets? You're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to easily set up lead exports and make sure your data is seamlessly integrated into Google Sheets. First things first, Outgrow is a powerful platform that allows you to create engaging quizzes, surveys, and calculators to capture leads. But how do you get those leads out of Outgrow and into Google Sheets for further processing? That's exactly what we'll cover now. To export leads from Outgrow to Google Sheets, you'll first need to ensure your Outgrow account is connected to Google Sheets. This is simple to do, and I'll show you how. Start by logging into your Outgrow account and navigating to the Integrations section. Here, you'll find a wide range of tools you can integrate with Outgrow, and Google Sheets is one of them. Click on Google Sheets and then click Connect. You'll be prompted to log into your Google account, so make sure you're signed into the right one that you want to use for exporting data. Once signed in, allow Outgrow the necessary permissions to access your Google Sheets. This is essential because it enables Outgrow to send data to your chosen sheet. Now, the fun part, creating a new export. Once you've connected your Google Sheets account, go to the Leads tab in Outgrow, where your captured leads will be stored. Select the leads you want to export, or set up an automated export to push new leads straight to Google Sheets without needing to manually do it every time. In the settings for your export, you can specify exactly which fields you want included, like names, emails, and responses to specific quiz questions. This gives you control over the data, so you're only pulling in the most important information. You can also customize which sheet the data will go to and even specify the exact cells where it should be placed. Once everything is set up, you can hit Save or Publish depending on your needs, and your leads will be sent directly to the specified Google Sheet. The process can be automated, so as new leads come in through your Outgrow forms, they'll appear in your Google Sheets without any additional work from you. This integration saves you time and ensures your data is organized in a way that makes it easy to track and analyze. If you're using this for a marketing campaign, it can streamline your workflow and help you focus on optimizing your content, not manually transferring leads. Before we wrap up, don't forget, Outgrow offers a free plan that you can start using today. But if you want to go deeper into Outgrow's features and unlock even more functionality, check out the exclusive extended free trial in the link below. Trust me, it's worth it. Now you know exactly how to export leads from Outgrow to Google Sheets. This simple process is a game changer for businesses looking to optimize their lead management workflow. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started, integrating Outgrow with Google Sheets is a valuable step to take. Be sure to check out the free trial link below to dive deeper into Outgrow. Don't miss out on this opportunity to streamline your lead generation process today.